Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I have a couple things that I got over the Christmas season, the holiday season, and they're both from Colourpop. I got the Chasing Rainbows palette and I got the Rendezvous palette. So I thought I would play with these today. I've already played with them just a little bit, but here we go with the Chasing Rainbows. It is so beautiful. I am in love with those colors. And then Rendezvous, there it is. Really pretty. This teal here is like amazing. You can check on the Colourpop website to see what kind of deals they have. I know that they were having a deal where you get this free, but I'm not sure if that's still going on. I bought these both in Ulta, and so yeah, so I'm going to get started. Let's start by doing something with these eyebrows because they are a little out of control today. I definitely need to have them done. I'm just doing a quick eyebrow set, and this is the Joa eyebrow pencil. You can find this at CVS. I think it's exclusive at CVS. You might be able to order it directly online. I don't know, but I love it. And eyebrow number 2. That is going to be the best I'm going to do today with my brows. They just really need to be done, so I haven't done anything with them yet. But I really want to dig into these palettes here. We're going to start off with the Chasing Rainbows palette, and I'm going to lay Wiggles here, which is a really sheer, kind of a beigey nude, all over my lid. And this is just going to be something real easy, everyday. I don't know. Let's see what we can do. All right, so now I want to go into the Rendezvous palette and go into, let's dig into Style and Grace here, which is a matte kind of nudie pink. And I am putting that right above my crease and kind of into my corner just a little bit. Now we're going to go into, I can't see these colors very well because it's like shiny. This one here is called Want You Back. Yeah. This one here is called Want You Back. And we're going to put that into the crease right below the first one. And I'm really gonna accentuate my corner with it as well because I kind of want to build it up over there. Really pretty. One thing I love about Colourpop is that their colors blend so beautifully and so well, and I feel like they're just so seamless. I just love them so much. I end up buying a lot of Colourpop because it is affordable, but it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna go into, oh, I really like this one here. This one is in the Chasing Rainbows. It's called Prism. It's a real deep plummy brown. Wow, that's really pigmented. Kind of want to just pull it up just a little bit into my crease just to deepen up my crease just a little. I really like that. And now I want to go into realness in the Chasing Rainbows palette, which is this one right here. It's kind of a rusty color, and I want to put that into my corners. Now obviously you can see we're kind of doing a bit of a halo, so I really want to do something really fun for that middle part of my eye, and I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I want to go into, what's this called? Release? Recluse? Release? Release. I want to go into Release here just with my finger. This is that kind of teal shade. And really pop that into the center. I feel like this shade is really kind of gritty, so there's definitely some glitter in it, but I don't really see, I see shimmer. I don't see a whole lot of glitter in the actual palette itself, but I feel it. So that's new, and that's different. It's definitely really creamy though. It's like I can feel it super creamy on my fingers. So now I want to go into Chasing Rainbows again, and maybe this time, I think I'm going to use my finger for this. There's this really pretty gold white here. It's called Blurred Lines. And it feels the same as the last one. I'm just going to pop that right in the center of each eye and then blend it out with a flat brush. And then with another flat brush, I'm going to go back into Prism here, which is that real dark plummy, there we go, real dark plummy color, and just really intensify a little bit more. And I'm popping that more into my inner corners as well. Just a teeny bit, just to slightly deepen it up. Realness again from the Chasing Rainbows palette. Deepen up that inner corner. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my eyes, putting on some lashes and some liner and stuff like that. Deepen up my crease just a little bit more. And we're gonna finish this look because it's different and I like it. So I'll be right back. Okay, I put some lashes on and I have not yet finished my liner, and I thought with this look I wanted to do something kind of, where are you? Where are you? I wanted to do something kind of a greenish teal, so I grabbed this Sugar Coal liner and I'm just gonna do my bottom lid with this and then run a little bit of shadow under it as well. But this will just kind of tie in that pop of color at the top. Yeah, you can already tell it's kind of cool. So waterline done. So I'm gonna go back into Want You Back, which is this one right here, and just run it underneath my eyes just to kind of really smoke it out a little bit more. There we go. I swear, running eyeshadow under your eyes makes such a big difference in the total look. I can't even tell you. I am gonna go back into Prism and just kind of deepen up just a little bit more. So I like a deep outer corner. There we go. I can hear my dog. She is messing around in my room. Okay, so there is the look. I hope you like it. It's not too crazy, but you know, it's definitely nice. I do like the contrast of the green with the kind of warm tones. And yeah, so that is the Chasing Rainbows and Rendezvous palettes. You can get these at Colourpop or you can get them at Ulta, so be sure to look for them if you like them. And I'm sure you can do something like this with something that you already have if you didn't want to go out and buy these. But I do really like these palettes and I do really like Colourpop's formula, so I recommend it personally. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to hit that like button down below if you like this and you want to see more, and subscribe so that you know every single time I upload, and I will see you again next time. Bye.